Thief ants infestation indoors can drive you nuts, but keeping your place clean is the game changer you absolutely need to win against these tiny invaders. Alright, so first off, thief ants are super small and love to hide in the tiniest cracks, so start by sealing up those entry points with caulk or weather stripping. Next, always wipe down your kitchen counters, dining tables, and floors daily to get rid of any food crumbs or sticky spots, because those little guys smell even the smallest snack from a mile away. Don't forget to clean under appliances and inside cabinets where crumbs tend to pile up unnoticed. Trash is a big deal too. Make sure your bins have tight lids and take out the trash regularly so ants don't get invited to a buffet. Store food in airtight containers, especially sugary stuff and greasy leftovers, since thief ants are all about that sweet and greasy life. If you spot any trails or nests, try using natural deterrents like vinegar or lemon juice along their paths to confuse their scent trails. Also, keep an eye on your pet's food bowls and clean them after meals, because those crumbs are ant magnets. Lastly, if you have a garden or yard, trim back bushes and trees touching your house so ants don't use them as bridges indoors. One of the biggest headaches with thief ants infestation indoors is ignoring how tiny cracks and holes let these pests sneak in. Fixing those gaps with proper sealing stops their freeway into your home. Another common mistake is leaving food out or not cleaning spills quickly enough. Even a little sticky mess is like a neon sign for thief ants, so wiping surfaces regularly is key. The third issue is using ineffective pest control methods that don't target thief ants specifically. Relying on general sprays might just scatter them around, so using bait traps designed for thief ants can really help get rid of the entire colony instead of just the workers you see. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners wanting to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about pest control and home repairs. For contractors, it's a handy way to connect with folks needing services and grow their business without the usual hassle of chasing leads.